Hey guys, Mike Dix here at SkipperBud's on beautiful Lake St. Clair, standing in front of our 2025 Scout 357 LXF in stunning midnight blue. Let me take you around to the back sides. We'll get up on the boat. Sorry I have to walk past a couple more gorgeous Scout boats in the process. Now this Scout 357 LXF is an epoxy infused hull. We're running triple Mercury 400 outboards on this boat, pushing it over 70 miles an hour in the right conditions. Beautiful Grigio soft touch interior. Flip out back bench seat. Insulated fish boxes, both port and starboard sides. Under your rear facing seat, you have a Seakeeper 3. You also have a little beverage station. Moving forward, a very well appointed helm, triple Garmin screens, your Mercury vessel view, Edson power wheel, joystick, and a wireless charger. Heated seats are standard. Up front, a very large forward-facing lounge seat with storage. And at the bow, you have a power actuated table that'll stop both at casting height or drop all the way into the floor. And then the remainder of the cushions are removed for full casting platform. Ample overnight accommodations, climate controlled cabin. This boat has some great incentives right now. Reach out for more details.